Today I'll show you how to enable developer options on the Motorola Moto G6. Open Settings and scroll down to System, then select About Phone. Find Build Number and tap on it several times until developer options are enabled. Go back to System and you'll see developer options appear. Tap Developer Options to access all available features. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking to unlock the bootloader. You can also enable USB Debugging and other advanced options. Use the features as needed for development purposes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.